Feeling lost in the world of metadata? Let's turn the confusion into clarity by connecting Meta to Looker Studio. First, open Looker Studio. If you don't have an account, sign up, it's free. Click the Create button in the top left corner and select Report. Now, you'll be prompted to add data to the report. Search for Meta ads in the connector list. Select Meta ads. You'll need to authorize Looker Studio to access your Meta ads account. Click the Authorize button and follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, choose the specific Meta ads account you want to connect. You can also select the ad account and currency. Click Connect in the top right corner. Looker Studio will begin fetching your Meta ads data. Next, you can click Add to Report in the top right corner. And that's it. Your metadata is now connected to Looker Studio. You can now start building your reports, visualizing your data, and gaining valuable insights into your social media performance. Remember to explore different chart types and filters to customize your reporting. Happy analyzing!